I'm going to cry. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just gonna be a random favorite try on style. This video is gonna be all over the place. I haven't filmed in a very long time, but please bear with me, and if you want to see what my current favorites are, please keep watching. Okay, so normally I will start off with my eyes, after my eyebrows, and recently I have been loving the Morphe 3502 palette for obvious reasons. I mean, look at it in all its glory. Normally on an everyday basis I will do the bare minimum of makeup, but if I'm off and I have time and I feel like doing my makeup, I will bust this baby out and just play with makeup. So we're gonna go ahead and create a look right now, and yeah. That took forever. I feel like this video is just going downhill. I haven't filmed in so long. I just feel like everything is going wrong. But I'm gonna try to push forward and try to make this a decent video for you guys. So for eyeliner, I don't usually do a winged eyeliner like ever, so I don't have a favorite eyeliner, but I did use this Clinique Pretty Easy liquid eyelining pen, and I will say it was pretty easy. It's super pigmented, it's really black, and I normally don't use felt tip, but this one, it was like really easy to glide on the wing and everything, so I might just be using this to practice my winged liner. As for the lashes, these have been my favorite. They're the Ardell Studio Effects line. I feel like they're they're like right in the middle between being super simple and dramatic. These ones are in the style 223. They're really long and wispy, which I really like. I have a love-hate relationship with this Lancôme concealer. It is super full coverage, super thick, super tacky. You only just need like the smallest amount, and I even just tap it out even more with my finger and put it right underneath my under eyes. Normally I actually just use this concealer on a like no makeup day, and I'll just put it underneath my eyes and then just go. The reasons why I do like it is just because it is super full coverage, but it's just really thick, and sometimes it's really hard to work with. That's the only thing. Really into cream products. Like I said, I just normally do the most basic minimal makeup, which is like super simple, so it's just basically all cream products. So I've been really liking this Colourpop Hello Kitty Super Shock Cheek. It's like a muted dusty rose, and I just like to pop this on the apples of the cheek. It has like that sheen to it too, so it looks like you were glowing from within. So the last cream product that I have been loving is this Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter. It's like the Cover FX lipid. Oh my god. So I meant to say is liquid drops. They look like this. I don't have the makeup, or I'm sorry. I don't have the Cover FX one, but I really want to try those next. What I like to do, these are really intense, so I don't even like drop them on my face. I just dot it like that. One. So I forgot to mention that I did have a favorite face product, but it wasn't really a foundation, and I wanted to have foundation today, but it's more of a tinted gel cream, which is from Bareminerals. I just, like I said, use this on my super natural days, and I just like rub this all over my face, and then that's it. It just evens out my skin tone and everything. I also apply this on top. These two together make a really good combination. It just makes my skin look super smooth without looking like super cakey or anything like that. So I'm just gonna set everything with this powder. I feel like this is one of my top favorites. It's the e.l.f. Post Workout Cool Down Mist. Honestly, I feel like it's going to replace my MAC Fix Plus. As you can see, I use quite a lot of it. I feel like it just soaks up all the excess powder. It just like everything, you know, and I use this like after every time I powder. So I'm so extra, so I'll like powder, I'll bake, and I'll wipe off the bake, I'll spray this on. I'll do something else like blush, bronzer, and then I'll spray this on, and then I'll do my highlighter and I'll spray this on, and then it just soaks up the powder like really nicely, you know, and it's only $8. So, and I'm almost done with it, so I'm gonna buy in bulk next time. This is the best one. I like this. And the spray, it's, I don't know, it's like really, it distributes it evenly, and it's so like fine, you know. Another e.l.f. product. e.l.f. has been stepping up their game. Like seriously, this is on the top as well. It's the e.l.f. Sirens Call, and it's a orange, like an orange and a white gold highlight. Both of these colors, what I've been doing is taking a fan brush and going in with this orange. This orange shade looks really scary, but it's not. It's really, it's more like gold. Watch. Just popping that right there. And right here, just lightly, you know. And then I will take a more smaller highlighting brush and take this gold and do that on the, oh yeah, I like that one, on the highest points of my cheeks, and my nose, and the bridge. Oh, Okay guys, I am done with this video. I'm so over it. Everything was not going my way, so I'm just gonna end it here. As for my lip, I've been currently loving my Anastasia Beverly Hills Tar lip gloss. My lips have been so chapped right now. This has been just giving me that juicy look plus the pigmentation, so I've just been wearing this as my everyday color. Let me know let me know what you thought about this video and what other videos you want me to do. Please comment, like, and share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.